Introducing the Cobra roller, a uniquely crafted tool that assists during tent wall installation and removal. Specifically engineered to take the burden off the installer, the Cobra roller's patented rolled wall technology allows the operator to shift the weight of the tent wall gradually between the tent structure and the Cobra roller during installation and removal. This turns a cumbersome two-person chore into an effortless one-man job. Just imagine if you could get every task done twice as fast. The Cobra roller is the evolution of tent wall installation.